And I gotta get out of here. So what these people did to try to tame this property, they excavated this entire creek. It must be after my seeds. All right, here's my July 22nd update. Looking at that big rock and the water line, I need to shove that down to the left about 3 more feet, because right now, if it fills all the way, it's going to be sticking out a little, which is not necessarily the worst thing. The problem is once it fills, it's too late. You can't do this stuff. So I might shove that down another 3 feet just to be safe. Yeah, this is what the creek looks like now. I gotta dig my way in, clear my way into the right spot. There's a spot I'm looking for where 2 or 3 of them intersect in here. I might have to go for a hike if I get into it. Sharon was telling me about where it's at. I want to get some creek stone. Alright, so what these people did to try to tame this property, they excavated this entire creek with a dam on the inside here, the whole way. So the water wouldn't come out over its banks when it floods. That was a lot of excavation, but the problem, so now it's like this. I got this big hump here to get down into the creek to get some stone. So I'm gonna have to make an opening somewhere. I might go down a little farther, because if I crack it open, possible when we flood, but although we've been here 2 years and we haven't even seen it come up very high, it could come out here into the grass. But I don't know. I'm a little doubtful of that. I got a decent wide spot up here, so I'm gonna have to push this back just so I can get in here. I have to make a little ramp here. As you see, that creek is down 5 or 6 feet. Oh, look at all the nice stones in here. Let's get some of this out of my way. I might have to pile it, get some of these trees out of my way. Obviously I want a full bucket if I'm going to go back up. Now I can at least see the dirt here. See, I'm piled up there. See if I can get a little more. Then I gotta get out of here. Go down and look for a little bit bit better spot. This way. I guess I'll take what I got right here because I got to change up how I get in and out of here. I got too much dirt pile behind me. I should have made this cut wider. See if I can push it out of my way a little bit. I guess what I'll do is I'll make a pile right here. Oh yeah. Yeah. Make a pile, I'll go back and get some more, that way I can come get a full bucket. Let me fix up this ramp and clean out some breathing room so we ain't so claustrophobic. Oh, there's a lot of good stone over here. It's about yay big. I want to get where I can maneuver in and out of here a little easier. Right here. A little larger. Now we should have at least one full bucket. Challenges is getting full buckets with this thing when it's like skimming on the top like this. That's what we're taking. See how it goes. Stop on the way up. There's a couple of clay rocky piles, and I'll try and top it off into one of them clay rock piles. Because I'd like to get this thing even. Or if I'm going to make it worse. Looks like I kept all my creek stone. I got a little bit of clay stone, so that's it. I ain't gonna push my luck. Let's go see what we got. Got a little green coming up on the pond dam. That's really nice. Get some roots down for if we get heavy rains, reduce the washouts. Okay, where are we going? Probably this stretch right here. Got a big pile down a little deeper. I'll put some of it, lay this one up here in gonna be 1 to 2 feet of water, maybe 3 tops, probably 1 to 2 feet of water. Hear all the stone, so look, it's dark, but it's all stone in here. It's all rock. We back drag it just a little bit, spread it out. There we go. Try and collect some more.